The acne skincare industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Most of the acne clear-up products are available through prescription in the industry. That is, the prescription medications for acne are pretty expensive. If you are someone who cannot purchase those heavily marketed expensive prescription medications for acne, you should try the alternative medication for acne. Alternative medication for acne is an intrinsic or natural method for acne treatment. There are many intrinsic products for treating acne. Though they are indeed low in number as compared to the prescription medications, but they have worked for thousands of people. Many people even don't consider purchasing prescription medications for acne, even they can easily purchase the worldwide marketed prescription medicines without even a fraction of influence on their budgets. Those people, to avoid getting the harsh side effects of the prescription medicines for acne treatment, come to the alternative means. So, you should not be disheartened when coming to the intrinsic acne treatments. A lot of the rich and famous people invest their money in intrinsic acne treatment medicines. Benefits of intrinsic acne treatment. Following are some of the benefits associated with intrinsic acne treatment that attract masses. N-1463, 100% safe. N-1463, highly effective. N-1463, low cost. N-1463, easy availability. N-1463, ease of use. Another benefit of using intrinsic acne treatment products is that they are very effective for removing acne scars as well. You gain everything and lose nothing with intrinsic acne treatment. Many people take medication without giving any thought to safety or how their system will react to its presence. The unfortunate truth is that many medications, both over-the-counter and prescription, present some serious risks to users. This may range from a simple skin irritation to a more serious occurrence that may require hospitalization. Acne medicine is no different and must be used responsibly and selected with your own personal health in mind. Prior to purchasing or using any type of acne medicine, make sure to read the outside packaging for any warning or cautionary notices. In addition, pay close attention to the instructions and guidelines for usage, which must be followed thoroughly. If you are using any type of cream or lotion acne medicine, apply it to only a small test area of the skin at first. This is done so that you can make sure the product does not irritate your skin prior to applying it to the rest of the affected area. This is not only important to do with new medicines, but even with an acne medicine that you have used before. A product that does not initially cause irritation may cause it during the next use, so always use the test application method prior to exposing your entire problem area to possible irritation. When selecting acne medicine, choose one with little or no side effects. Medicine is designed to treat an ailment and not to make it worse or create new ones in the process. While it is true that many conventional medicines carry their own potential risks, there are products that do not. It is very important to consider all side effects prior to using any type of acne medicine. If you are purchasing an over-the-counter acne medicine, never use a product that has been opened or appears to have been tampered with. It is best to purchase a product that is factory sealed, and, if your product of choice is not sealed, consider ordering it online where it is kept out of high-traffic areas prior to being shipped. This is simply a good idea so that everyone passing through any given store doesn't have the opportunity to open or use the product before you buy it. This article is to be used for informational purposes only. The information contained herein is not intended to be used in place of, or in conjunction with, professional medical advice regarding the use of acne medicine. Prior to beginning any treatment regimen, the patient must consult a licensed medical doctor or dermatologist for advice and/or to determine the best course of action for his/her individual situation. Why would you eat loads of bread every day when you do not know what it can do to you besides fulfilling your appetite? Teenagers who eat lots of bread these days are most likely to get acne more than adults do. Studies show that acne comes up in 60% of 12-year-old and below and 95% of 18-year-old and teenagers. U.S. dermatologists have conducted several researches that confirm that refined sugar, along with wheat and other grains, can raise insulin levels. Studies done previously may show that too much insulin can lead to acne. Also, those new low-carbohydrate diets, those are so popular right now. It is possible that they can lead to reduced acne breakouts for some. Lauren Cordain of Colorado State University conducted a research and suggested that insulin surges may be triggered by easily digested refined bread. IGF-1, a growth factor resembling insulin, can be produced as well. This combination of substances in the body can spike male hormones, which is known to create large amounts of sebum in the skin. Sebum, a thick substance that can build up in the pores of the skin, encourages the bacterial growth responsible for acne. Further, a research has pointed out a lack of acne among teenagers living in other parts of the world, where food is largely unprocessed. Acne only appeared among the Inuit people of Alaska when people there switched from their traditional fare to a Western-style diet. Dermatologists at RMIT University in Melbourne, Australia, are planning a major study to see if eating a low-carbohydrate diet can reduce the incidence of acne. The experiments will involve 60 teenage boys, tracked over the course of 3 months. Dermatologists have seen lots of anecdotal evidence when they had their patients move to low-carbohydrate diets. However, the Australian research will be one of the first controlled studies to examine the effects of a low-carbohydrate diet on acne. Dermabrasion for acne scars is just one of the many options currently available to improve the skin's health and appearance. In a nutshell, this treatment uses a tiny instrument which is basically a motor-driven burr. It removes the superficial layer of your skin in a way that is similar to sanding. Once this layer of skin is removed, your healthier skin cells are able to surface, and this results in a smoother and tighter complexion. Acne scars are a big concern for many people worldwide. They affect both boys and girls, men and women, and can lead to emotional problems and low self-esteem. Like wrinkles, most acne scars are visible because they are lower or deeper than surrounding skin. Light also casts shadows into acne scars, which makes them even more evident. The purpose of dermabrasion is to bring acne scars to the same level as surrounding skin. This diminishes shadows and their visibility. It's important to understand that dermabrasion for acne scars is no miracle cure, and results vary from person to person. In general, it is estimated that each dermabrasion treatment can improve the appearance of acne scarring by 20 to 40%. So, it is likely that you'll have to undergo more than one treatment to get the appearance that you are looking for. And, even then, the scars may not be completely sanded away. Dermabrasion treatment is performed in your doctor's office or hospital under anesthesia or sedation. The surgery can last anywhere from 15 minutes to over an hour, depending on the area that is to be treated. This procedure is usually performed on an outpatient basis, so you can go home right after it's completed. However, you will need to stay at home for at least 3 days after the treatment because of redness and swelling. Your doctor may also prescribe pain medication to take for 3 to 7 days after the dermabrasion. Swelling generally lasts for 7 to 14 days, and you'll need to be extra careful to apply the necessary post-surgery ointment and sunscreen. After your skin heals, it will appear sunburned, and this could last up to 6 weeks. As for the results you are hoping for, those will start to appear from 4 to 6 weeks after the treatment. The results as far as scar diminishing are permanent. But again, if you're unhappy with these, you may need to repeat the dermabrasion or try other options. Dermabrasion has been used for decades to diminish the appearance of acne scars. And, like many other treatments for skin problems, one session may not be enough to get your desired results. Many professionals are switching to laser technologies as treatment options, and there are also a variety of these laser treatments to evaluate in terms of suitability for your type of skin and scar. The above information about dermabrasion for acne scars does not substitute medical advice given by a health professional.